In a world overflowing with noise, clarity is power. And that's exactly what KhazinaDigital delivers. We pride ourselves on being more than just a digital signage company. We are strategic storytellers, technical experts, and visual brand architects committed to helping businesses communicate in a smarter, faster, and more beautiful way. Our mission is simple yet powerful: to turn your messages into impactful visuals that grab attention and resonate with your audience. KhazinaDigital caters to a diverse range of industries, from bustling restaurants and vibrant retail spaces to essential hospitals and educational institutions. We serve every sector with bespoke digital signage solutions that do more than merely display information. Our systems are designed to sell, guide, inform, and inspire. By understanding the unique needs of each industry, we provide tailored experiences that elevate customer engagement and enhance overall brand communication. For businesses of all sizes, including solo cafes and national franchises, our managed digital signage service alleviates the stress of managing screens. We handle every aspect, including installation, content creation, scheduling, and regular updates. This allows you to shift your focus away from technicalities and towards your core growth objectives. Our mission statement is clear. We handle the screens, you handle the growth. We ensure that your digital signage works seamlessly in the background while you concentrate on what matters most. Every screen we install becomes a silent ambassador for your brand, capable of changing content in real time and adapting based on immediate needs. Whether you want to promote a special offer or share important announcements, our technology scales with your ambition, enabling you to communicate dynamically and effectively. With an emphasis on advanced content management system tools and emotion-led design, KhazinaDigital empowers you to connect with your audience visually without uttering a single word. Are you ready to move beyond outdated printing methods and embrace a new era of communication? Let's work together to transform your space into a living brand experience that captivates and engages. Our solutions are available across the UK, supported by expert guidance and innovative technology. With KhazinaDigital, your brand comes alive everywhere, and your story is told beautifully, ensuring a lasting impact on every viewer.